So for everyone that actually watched lesson three, you will understand what happened there and why I have to talk more about the terms of service of freelancer platforms. So now, what I offer, this person is very specific about what they offer: Shopify dropshipping, marketing, complete complete sales funnel creation, SEO and social search engine marketing expert, social media marketing. Why choose me? You should always ask that question and answer it. Proven success in e-commerce marketing, customized strategies tailored to your business, fast response time and dedicated support, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Ready to take your Shopify website or Etsy store to the next level. Let's work together to achieve your business goal. Click the order now. You understand? So this is how you write it, and you should always select the platform according to your expertise. As you can see here, she selected Etsy, Shopify, and Klaviyo, meaning whenever somebody search anything related to that keyword, she's gonna show there definitely. And the industry, you should always select the industry you want specifically. Here she selected animal and pets, art, art and design, beauty and cosmetics, because art and design is specifically going for Etsy because a lot of digital product sellers are there and they design arts a lot. So, beauty and cosmetics, fashion and apparel, marketing and advertising. Here, promotional method, off page SEO, sales funnel. Those are the two methods she's using. So, in this model, in this lesson of this model, I want to focus more on showing you the real example of winning profile from top earners. This person had a winning profile and winning description, winning image, as you can see. So if you notice something there, she doesn't say those things from her head, she's written them, and that's totally okay as long as you can do exactly what you're saying you're doing. People don't care whether you're reading it from a book or reading it from the screen. As long as you got to do what you got to do and you got to get the result you promised to get. That's all. People gonna trust you, all right? You don't have to do too much, okay? And as you can see, our gig image was also very good. She's killing it. And you can also, I will recommend you to make a video of yourself, telling the people directly what you're gonna do, who you are, and how you're gonna get them result. Because this actually build trust. I don't know how before from anywhere, but seeing the video, it builds trust automatically. And I will definitely come back, contact her, or continue with any package based on this video. You understand? That's exactly what client sees. And she's currently having two orders in queue. That could literally be 2,000, it could be 5,000, it could be any amount, all right? I don't know any details about that, but I'm just focusing on the winning profile and the top earner. She's part of the top earner in this niche. And let's go back to the initial search. Initial search, where there are a lot of top earners there. As you can see, this person is also doing great. This person is doing amazingly great as well. But this person haven't get that much orders as other people have. As you can see, this is somebody also from Nigeria doing an amazing job. As you can see, he have completed over 200. He have over 200 reviews. He doesn't have any active orders in queue, but his gig image is killing it, and every other thing looks absolutely amazing. As you can see, his profile is absolutely great. He have over 238 5-star, 4.8, 4.9 star reviews, and it's from Nigeria. Meaning, whatever you are from the world doesn't say you can't make it as a freelancer. Yeah, that limitation is really in your brain as long as you keep working out, you keep learning, you keep doing your research, and you keep increasing your expertise and the quality of your work. Definitely, people are going to locate you wherever you are, and do not have any fear when you are working as a freelancer, even if you have so many projects. You should not be afraid. You should do them accordingly, and you should utilize timetable because when you work smart, you don't feel this exhaust or burnout as a freelancer. Meaning, you can set a goal. I get 10 projects in this week. I'm going to do this specific project on so date and on so date. Meaning, you specify everything for a specific day and a specific time, and you got to stick to it. Meaning, no matter what happened that day, you got to do the work. You got to put some effort. Meaning, you won't procrastinate because procrastination kills a lot. It affects a lot of people's in their freelancing journey. I've been there, I've overcome it, and probably I won't be there anymore. But it's just like that. You understand? In every stage you still experience that procrastination, but it's totally different from when you are a newbie as a freelancer. All right. You're hearing this from a person that have over 5 years of experience, and I'm sharing this because I know you will make that mistake, and I don't want you to make that mistake. That's why I'm telling you before you make the mistakes. And if you have already did, please don't make that mistake anymore. I keep watching the tutorials, and I hope you get more tips from in the next module. This is a completion of module one. Congratulations to you for doing that. See you in the next module. Bye for now. Cheers.